Hey everyone, I wanted to show you what to do when you're knitting along and all of a sudden you notice that there are two loops on one pin. I have two loops here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both loops off one at a time. You can just let them hang. They won't go anywhere. And you're going to notice one loop is shorter than the other. One loop is going to be very long and one is going to be very short. Long loop is the loop that got tucked and the short one is the one that got stitched correctly. So I'm going to have the short loop closer to the machine and I need to get this long loop flipped through this short loop. Usually I use my loom hook, but for the demonstration I'm going to use the crochet hook. So I have the short loop on my crochet hook. I'm going to slide the long loop behind it and all I'm going to do is pull it through. And now that stitch has been corrected and I can put it back on my machine and I can keep going along. I have a video for what to do when you notice tuck stitches as they're further down on the machine, but that's just a quick way to fix it when you notice it right in the beginning. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.